In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. At first, we select the cell in which we want to insert the drop-down list. Then we click on the ribbon tab Data, here at the top. Then we go to the data group Tools. There we click on the button Data Validation. Then this menu opens. Here we can determine which values are allowed for the selected cell. As you can see here, any value is allowed by default. Now we change this selection. Instead of any value, we choose the option List. Then two new fields appear. This selection field with the name In-Cell Dropdown is automatically activated. This is the right setting to display the allowed values in a dropdown list. At the end, we still have to determine which values are allowed. We enter these values in the text field Source. We can enter all values and separate them with a semicolon. If the permitted values already exist in the Excel workbook, we can enter the corresponding cell names. For this, we can also simply select the corresponding cell area. Then the drop-down list is ready for use.